Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage kootu. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of finely chopped cabbage and 1/4 cup of moong dal. We'll also use a few key spices like turmeric powder, cumin seeds, and mustard seeds to build those authentic flavors. Don't forget a little oil and some fresh curry leaves for that aromatic touch. This dish is simple yet incredibly flavorful. Now let's get cooking. Start by washing the moong dal thoroughly and then pressure cook it with about 1 cup of water until it's soft but still holds its shape. Once the dal is partially cooked, add your chopped cabbage to the pot. Continue to simmer the mixture, allowing the cabbage to become tender and absorb all the wonderful flavors. This step ensures both ingredients are perfectly cooked. The final touch is the tempering, which adds a burst of aroma and flavor. In a small pan, heat a tablespoon of oil and add mustard seeds. Once they splutter, add cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, and fresh curry leaves. Pour this aromatic tempering over your cooked cabbage kootu. Stir gently to combine everything. Your delicious cabbage kootu is now ready to be served warm with rice or your favorite flatbread. Here are a few tips to enhance your kootu. Feel free to adjust the spice levels to your liking. A little extra chili can really kick it up. For a creamier texture, you can stir in a tablespoon or 2 of coconut milk at the very end. It adds a lovely richness. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. It's a resource many have found truly valuable for managing money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.